I had a student who stopped by office hours a few times. When he walked out, I said, please take a cookie. I made this and that. And he did. The next time he came by, I told him the same thing. He said, wait, you made these? And I said, yes, when I said I made them, I meant that. And he said, oh, I thought you were joking. No, I am not joking.
Set timer for 6 minutes.
My name is Stephen Dean. I'm the faculty director of the graduate tax program here at NYU. Last semester I taught tax policy, and now I'm teaching corporate tax. Students believe that I'm sort of in character in class, that I may not in real life be as excited about tax as I appear to be in class. But if they come to my office, they will know that that is not actually the case. I think it is really powerful. Not as many people know about how it works as should know about it, and that makes it work less well than it could. So the more people that know about it, the better. To be completely honest, I bake all the time. I should say this bowl was a wedding present. There have been many, many things over the many years in this bowl. Vegan breakfast cookies, peanut butter, double chocolate, ginger nuts. I love ginger. Cantucci Biscotto kind of cookies, and then a few different types of granola bars. When people come to my office hours, sometimes they're coming specifically about the material we've covered in class. Other reasons are they're huge tax nerds and they want to talk to another huge tax nerd. And they also come to talk to me about careers. People sometimes just want to chat about what they might do with their love of tax. People don't believe either that I am excited about tax as I am, or that I bake all the time. Yeah, I don't know what will persuade them of that. Maybe this will, I don't know.